Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use two command is discuss here one by one. First is discuss here sphere and second is cylinder. Okay, and CATIA lecture 70 is discuss here. CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these commands deeply and clearly. Okay, these two command is discussed here. Two command is a wireframe and surface design command. Okay, lecture start here, wireframe and surface command lecture, and two command is discussed here. And today discuss here only a sphere command. Okay, next video is a discuss here cylinder. Okay, one by one discuss here. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software, then okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this command is a sphere command, and a sphere command is very important and use a wireframe and surface design. And this command is a cylinder, and cylinder command is also very important and use a wireframe and surface design in CATIA. Okay, and this command is a sphere. At first any select a plane and any a point is created, then use a sphere command. Okay, then select a plane and sketch any point. Okay, any point anywhere is drawing here, anywhere a drawing, and this point is center point, and this is a anywhere is a drawing, this center point is a drawing here, and exit. Okay, center point a point is drawing here. Okay, you can see here, and this click a sphere, and this body is a preview is showing here. Okay, and this is a half sphere. Okay, and this center is also click, also sketch here, and a sphere axis is a any axis select. Okay, and this is a sphere radius is 20 means, and this is a all is a you can see here, and this is a zoom in and zoom out. Okay, this is a rotate, and this perfect is a zoom in. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this body is a meridian and angle is a 360. Okay, 360 is a body is. Okay, this body is a 360. Okay, okay, and any material is select here, and also double click here, and this point is a create the sphere by specifying the angle, and this angle create the whole sphere. This point, this whole sphere is click here, this body is a whole sphere. Okay, this is a whole sphere, not open, this is a whole sphere. Okay, anywhere not open, whole sphere, and this is a specifying angle, and angle is a 360, and this sphere is a click here. Okay, and also okay, all is correct. Okay, this is a increase the radius is increase, then 3D body is increase here. Okay, and select default is a 20 is setting, and this increase the value is increase sphere, and this is a decrease the value is sphere is decrease. Okay, this is a 30 is correct. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, and material is select here, and this body material is a click here, and this is a sphere. Okay, and this is a wood is also, this body is wood, and this is a correct है. Also this body is also correct, and this is a any nice. Okay, okay, this body is okay, this is a correct, looking very nice. Okay, sphere command is a looking very nice. Okay, sphere body. Okay, and this is a increase. Okay, very nice. Okay, okay, guys, sphere is discussed here. Okay, okay, this isometric view is drawing here, and this is a sphere is a looking here. Okay, okay, guys, okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon, and next lecture is a cylinder is discussed here. Okay, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this today, this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and you okay, you get a suggestion, and any design is very complicated design is very easily. Okay, guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.